ClickUp is one of those tools that promises to be your all-in-one workspace. Tasks, docs, chats, whiteboards, dashboards, everything in one place. But when you're just starting out, the free plan seems tempting. Free forever, says the site. So the question for 2025 is ClickUp's free plan good enough? And when does it make sense to move to a paid plan? First, let's look at the free plan. With ClickUp Free, you get some impressive basics. Unlimited tasks, unlimited users, collaborative docs, whiteboards, lists/board/calendar views, sprint/Kanban features. According to the website, free forever means you can get going without paying. Upbase.io plus 3clickup.com plus 3witch time tracker plus 3. This is great for individual users, small teams, or light projects. You're not locked out of the core functionality, and you can start building workflows right away. However, and this is important, Free has limitations that begin to show when you scale or need advanced features. Storage is limited, approximately 100 megabytes on Free. Witch time tracker plus 1. You're capped in a number of spaces you can create, uses of custom fields, Gantt charts, dashboards, or advanced views. Certain features like advanced time tracking, mind maps, workload views, unlimited integrations, or unlimited dashboards are behind paid tiers. Tools for humans.ai plus 1. So while Free works well for light or personal use, if your project grows, you'll hit the wall. Now, what do you get with paid plans, unlimited, business, etc.? For small teams, the unlimited tier, often starting at around $7 to $10 per user per month, unlocks unlimited storage, unlimited integrations, guests with permissions, unlimited dashboards, Gantt, custom fields, email in ClickUp, native time tracking. TechPawn plus 1. The business plan adds more. Advanced automations, mind maps, workload management, guest seats, SSO, custom permissions. Aimed at mid-sized teams. Witch time tracker plus 1. So which features justify upgrading? If you find yourself needing large file storage, frequent attachments, many integrations, detailed views, Gantt, timeline, mind map, or you're collaborating with many external users/clients with distinct permissions, then paid starts to make sense. Also, if you use automation or advanced reporting, track time and workloads, then Free will feel limiting. On the other hand, if you're a solo user, freelancer, or small team doing simpler workflows, to-do lists, basic projects, light collaboration, then the free plan may indeed cover 90% of what you need. It's powerful compared to many competitor tools' free tiers. ClickUp.com plus 1. My verdict for 2025. ClickUp Free is very good. It offers one of the most generous free plans in project management space, but paid plans are worthwhile when you start scaling or need the extra infrastructure/permissions. So upgrade when your workflow demands it, not just because you might someday. Test Free, see where you hit limits, then move up if the cost gives you meaningful benefit.